Okay, I said I would send you a problem with values so that we could calculate an R total. We're going to do the node method on here. For the node, remember we're going to go around the outside. So around the outer perimeter, the farthest path back to the power supply. We go through R1, R2, and R3, and we're back to the power supply. My nodes, A is right after R1 and B is right after R3. Bridging A and B is R4. I can see now that 2 and 3 are series to each other, parallel to R4. This whole value series to R1. So if I add 2 and 3 together, I have 600, parallel to 200. I can do my product over sum when I have two resistors. That, to me, that's the easiest way. Oops. Equals 150. So I know that I have 150 ohms value for this whole part. In series with 50 more, my R total is 200. I now can do math to calculate my current. I know that E divided by R is I. I have 3 amps. 3 amps flowing in this direction. Part is going to go this way, part's going to go this way. Come back in here and join back up to be the total of 3 again. So I know that 3 amps is on R1. So I can calculate a voltage of 150 volts as E1. Between R1 and R4, their sum must be 600 volts because the sum of the voltage drops in that loop must equal the applied voltage. So I know that if I have 150 here, I have 450 here. I was given a value of ohms of 200. I know that I equals E divided by R. 450 divided by 200 would be 2.25 amps. So I know that 2.25 amps flowed in this direction, leaving 0.75 amps in this portion of the circuit. This portion of the circuit, 2 and 3, they're in series with each other. So this is where I have to apply the series rule for current. I know that the current is the same everywhere in a series circuit. So I have 0.75 amps here. That means that I have 0.75 amps here. And we can calculate a voltage on both of those, and that should add up to 450 volts. So 0.75 times 400 equals 300. And 0.75 times 200 equals 150 volts. So my E2 has 150 volts, my E3 is 300 volts. I know that I have 0.75 amps, 0.75 amps, and given 200 and 400 ohms. I hope that was clear. Watch it a few times, get the idea.